Hi guys, it's Robert Eierweis from O'Brien Real Estate Brighton, checking again with the 15th edition of the Bayside Property News for 2021, where real estate information is on the house. There's been a lot of announcements and data released this week, all of which provides great insights into the property market, which in turn we provide guidance on conditions and we can expect going forward. Here is a snapshot of what has transpired.
Data was released showing council approvals to build new homes, rising by 17.4% in March, the most in 3 years. Approvals are up 47.4% on a year ago. It's the strongest annual growth rate in 11 years.
Home boost has certainly driven building approvals. There is no surprise home lending is at a record highs, but you might be surprised by which sectors of the market is driving the growth.
The value of new loan commitments overall for housing rose by 5.5%. Owner-occupier loans overall were up 3.3%. However, it was the investor loans that drove the market, and they were up 12.7% to a 3.5-year high of $7.8 billion. Renovation loans rose by 2% to 11-year high.
Internal migration data was released.
In the December 2020 quarter, interstate was very subdued. In fact, it was the fewest we have seen since 2015. But internal migration within the states saw a net of 42,971 Aussies move from capital cities to regional areas in 2020, the most on record since 2001.
The CoreLogic Home Price Index was released for April.
Vic Metro home price growth for the month was 1.3% across all dwellings, and annual growth now at 2.2%. Vic Regional home price growth for the month was 1.8% across all dwellings, with annual growth now at a whopping 11.3%. Rental prices for house is now at 1.2% premium to 12 months ago, where for unit rental prices are trading at 7.6% discount. Rental return yields are still attractive, with the average of 2.9% for all dwellings in Vic Metro and 4.1% for Vic Regional.
And lastly, there was no surprise with the Reserve Bank on Tuesday announcing that interest rates will remain on hold.
Come out for auction 80 St Andrews Street in Brighton. Auction on the 29th of May at 12:30. This handsome and grace on approximately 459 square metres of grounds. This is high potential in the heart of it all. An eye-catching attic-style home between the Caffs and shopping of Bay Street and the playing fields of Furbank. Hardwood has the land and location to rise to your prestige home. At the very least, the additional accommodation will add to livability or rentability of the property while you design your family home like your neighbouring properties. Centred in the family area between Bay Street and Church Street, this is a rare potential at a gateway to the private school Crescents and 300 metres to the station.
That's all for the week. I'm Robert Eierweis. Remember, the information provided is on a general nature. You should always seek independent legal, financial and taxation advice in relation to your unique circumstances. Bye for now.